In this video, we shall be looking at subtraction of decimals. Very simple. The main thing here again is the arrangement of the digits of the decimals. If the digits are well arranged, they are placed in their place values accordingly, everything will be easier for you. So let's start with this. These very simple ones. Now, here it says subtract the following: 3.64 from 7.85. Where you see from, subtract this from this. This number is one that will be at the top. Some learners will write this at the top. That will be wrong. You are asked to subtract this or remove this from this. From this. So this one will be the one at the top. So let's write this first. So you have 7.85. Yeah, 7.85 minus 3.64. So let's go ahead. 5 minus 4. You see that they are well arranged. Make sure they are well arranged. And the decimal points line up vertically. And each digit is in its rightful place. Here is the 10th place, the 100th place. Here is the units place. We have done videos on this, on place values of decimal numbers. So you can check it up in this YouTube channel. So let's start. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. Decimal point. 7 minus 3 is 4. So that's the answer. Very simple. This one, there's no borrowing. But in many cases in subtraction, we borrow. So let's do one that has to do with borrowing. Subtract this from this. So this will come up. 26.04. Decimal points, very important. 47. 47. 92. Going this way. That's how you write it. 91. Sorry. 91. So 91. Good. Your subtraction sign. So let's go ahead and add. Here we have 4 minus 7. Of course, you cannot. You have to borrow. Comes here. Here is 0. 0 means nothing. So it's nothing to offer. So it leaves 0, comes to 6. Borrows 1 from 6. And 6 will become 5 now. Since you borrow 1 from 6. You bring that 1 to here. And here becomes 10. But you need 1 from this 10 to so that you can this 4 will be able to minus this. So you also borrow 1 from this 10, and here becomes 9. And here is now 14, the one you borrowed from this 10. So 14 minus 7 is 7. So here is 9. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. The decimal point. Here is now 5, no longer 6, because 1 was borrowed from it. 5 minus 9, it cannot. You borrow 1 from these 2. When you borrow 1 from these 2 becomes 1, no longer 2. Since you borrow 1, this is the one you borrow. And that will make it 15, not 6, 15. Because you are borrowing it from a higher place. 15. So 15 minus 9 is 6. And here is now 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So if you like, you write your 0. If you like, you leave it. Let me just write it. You must not write it, and you can if you want to. So that is your answer. Step by step, you realize that this is very, very simple. It's not hard. Let me do one more. So let me clean this. This is a video, so you can take it back and watch it again. So find the difference. Find the difference between, let me write it here, between 254.27, between this and, that's it, and 78.99. Find the difference. Now, difference is another word that means subtraction. If you are asked what's the difference between 5 and 2, 5 and 2, the difference, it means when you what they are asking is, what do you get when you subtract 2 from 5? And the answer is 3. So difference between 5 and 2 is 3, because 5 minus 2 will give you 3. So difference is another word for subtraction. So let's go ahead and solve it. Don't forget, the main thing is your arrangement. Arrangement is very important. So let's start. This is the bigger number. This is 250. This is 70. So this is the smaller number. So this one should come first. 254.27. Beautiful. That's awesome. God is wonderful. It's very easy. You see the way I'm arranging it? The decimal point, put it here. 8, 7, going this way. 8, 7, and 9, 9. 9, 9. So you are subtracting. Beautiful. So let's go ahead. Here we also have to borrow, because 7 cannot minus 9. So you borrow from this 2. If you borrow from this 2 becomes 1. And this 7 is now 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Here is 1. 1 minus 9, it cannot. Borrow 1 from this 4. And if you do that, this 4 becomes 3. And the one you borrow, look at it here, and that will make it 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Decimal points, very important. 3 minus 8, you cannot. Borrow 1 from this 5. You borrow from this 5, that will make this 5 to be 4. And the one you borrow is now here. So this is 13. 13 minus 5, minus 8 is 5. Sorry, I'm in a hurry. 13 minus 8 is 5. Here is 4. 4 minus 7, it cannot. Borrow 1 from this 2, and that will make it 1. And the one you borrowed, look at it here. So 14 minus 7 is 7. And then you're left with 1. 1 minus nothing, so bring down your 1. Bagam. That is your answer. So you realize that this is very simple. Subtraction of decimals is very easy. All you need to take at heart is the arrangement of the digits. Make sure they are vertically arranged in an orderly manner. all the digits should be in their place. This is the units, this is the tens, this is the hundreds. Here is the tens place, here is the hundreds place. Every unit, every digit, I mean, should be in the right place value. And the decimal point should always line up vertically. You go ahead and do subtraction, and it will come out beautiful. I want to believe that this is clear, straightforward, and enjoyable, and that you understood all that happened here. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, so that it will go viral and help other people as well. Take good care of yourself. Once again, thank you very much for watching.